Hello, hello. Welcome to our property tour. And today I'm I'm with Vlada with me.
Such an honor that Danny just joined our video tour today, because usually he's filming a lot for his personal channel, and today we are here to show an amazing apartment in Porsche Design building in Miami, Sunny Isle Beach.
Yep. So let's talk. It's a two-story unit, right?
Yes.
First, I think we have to point it's a 20 feet
ceiling.
high ceiling,
Yes.
right?
It's 4-bedroom, 5.5 bath.
Yep.
It's listed for
14.950.
Yeah, but
14.
you know, we can get you a better
Price
deal.
is negotiable. I guess, you know, no promises, but as from our experience, there is most likely everything is negotiable, especially in the market as we are right now, right? If it was 3 years ago during the after pandemic days, everything was pretty crazy. Now it's
Settling
okay.
down,
You know, it's
and yes, there is a
normal
room
market.
for negotiation and making a good deal.
So guys, we are at the living room, right? It's a very generous size. And as we mentioned, the ceiling height is 20 feet. And look at this.
Size of the windows,
Yeah, side
panoramic.
window is so much light, right?
Yes, it is.
It's a great room with the access to the balcony. We'll show it to you later. So Vlada, as we discussed, if you throw a party in here, how many people you can fit?
I think 100 to
100?
100 people. You know, it depends what kind of party.
And depends what kind of people. If it's skinny, then you
But this room is really huge. You can throw a wedding here, bar mitzvah, Christmas
Easy.
dinner,
Yeah.
anything. Like it's really big.
And it's great. It has different sections, right? This is the
Yes.
main one. You have one right there. We have one right there. We're gonna show it as well.
Yes. And we have a view from each room. So this breathtaking view is.
Day at
We're
night,
so
right?
bored of it. Honestly,
By the way,
this green color.
one time I was at the Ritz-Carlton in Sunny Isles Beach, and they have a unbeatable view from they call it like a lounge area on the 30th floor, and it's facing south. You can see downtown, everything on a clear day.
wow.
Every time when you go there, it's like wow, like literally wow. Everyone who've seen it first time, like wow. I remember I came with the clients, and we're just walking out, and I'm like, same thing, you know, like boring. And they look at me like this, what? I'm like, no guys, I'm just kidding. Of course I'm impressed, because every time when I go there, I'm always impressed with that view. So, and this view is also a great view on the water, on the bay, right? You can see Aventura, you can see, today is a bit
Cloudy,
rainy there,
yeah.
but you still can see downtown of Fort Lauderdale.
And all the details is carbon, right?
Yep.
Like in Porsche cars. This huge fridge, and there's a freezer. All the appliances is mean. There's 2 ovens, microwave, and a coffee machine.
Coffee machine,
I like that it's inside, you know, doesn't
Built
take
in?
space. Yeah, built in. Doesn't
Yeah.
take space from the countertops.
Yep.
Huge countertop.
Marble, Caracata marble, right?
Yes.
You have a
Vent.
slowly coming out. Yeah, you have a. It takes time, by the way.
But look, if I was
you have to be patient.
if I was shorter, I can make dishes and look at
Oh
ocean. Still, just we are so
You
tall.
can look.
We're too tall.
Like sometimes that's you know, not meant for tall people or short people, right? But still, look, it's better to have views. Otherwise, if they block it, you wouldn't have it exactly. You can have more cabinets, but I think better to have that view. It's like a picture you have in here, right?
Yes. Like media area, kind of living space.
You know what I would call it? It's the fireplace / car watching room. So you can, if you look this way, you can enjoy fireplace, right?
It's very cozy.
You're not going
and
to
the
see.
view.
I mean, if you stand right, but if you here, you watch fireplace. If you're on this side, you can enjoy your cars. So it's like a watching room. And if you're sitting there, you can watch someone who's on the kitchen cooking, right?
Yeah, so Very interesting.
Yeah, like
Entertaining room.
entertaining room, exactly. So we have one bedroom on this side
Yes.
and two bedrooms upstairs. Behind us, humongous terrace. Let's go. Let's take a look at terrace, right? One, two, three, 4, 5. So pretty much in the summertime, humidity is usually
A problem.
yeah, a little bit, you know. And your sunglasses, once you get out of your AC, they are, what do you call it?
Humidified.
Like, so pretty much you have to wipe them because you have that a little bit of humidity on it. So you
Yeah.
have to take it out. But you get used to it.
It's just amazing sunny day today. Everybody's chilling and we are working hard, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Such a difficult life
yes.
in Miami.
But there, give me 5 for that. We're doing a great job. Today's, guys, we are in the July, middle of the summer. A lot of people on vacation, and we're really, literally working hard. We're getting more listings. We're creating a lot of content. I'm not like trying to impress you, but I'm just like
Impress yourself.
impressed. No, with my team, to be honest. I enjoy people around me. Vlada, one of them. Others guys who's not in the camera right now. Everybody's working hard. Anyway, let's get back to tour. You have that perfect section. You can see there is no wind, right? You can enjoy view from there. You have a jacuzzi, hot tub,
Slash pool.
warm pool,
Yeah.
bubbly water. You can call it whatever you want to. So it's I would say big enough size, right, for the pool to have on the 40th floor. You have a bench there. Maybe it looks odd as of now, but when there's a water, you don't see it. Plus, there's a button on the left side from you. You can turn it on, and there will be bubbles coming out from there and from there, and behind the bench. So you're sitting in the bubbles, enjoying that view, and thinking about your hard life, you know. By the way, one more thing that I have to mention, very important point. There is no buildings, since you're on the 40th floor, all those buildings, like 32, 33 floors, so nothing is blocking your south views. You see it's open. You can see Aventura, Fort Lauderdale, and the ocean, endless ocean. So this is very important. You're not gonna have it.
Shark.
Shark?
Yeah. The big fish, I don't know. Look, you see?
How do you? Yeah, I see some big fish.
3 of them.
Guys, sharks in Miami. Don't buy anything here. No, I'm just kidding. Of course we have sharks.
But it's
the
far
ocean,
away.
you know? Thanks God we don't have big issues with them. Like for example, I just came from Cape Cod, and a friend of mine told me if you see a lot of how you call them, the
Mangosteen?
no, not the langoustine. He told me if you see a lot of sea lions in the ocean, don't get in. And he told me he's like very serious. If there is a lot of sea lions, it means there is a lot of sharks that's feeding. So he said, no way you don't even think about go to the room. One more room right
Yes.
there, right? So you have one on each side. On
Very
the first
separated
floor.
and private.
Oh, by the way, it's a good point you just mentioned, because you have on each side here, on each side there. If you have a family with the kids, they can play. Someone can play there. Parents live there. You don't hear them at all. And for
And
for
they
people
can
with the
sneak
kids
out at night. Look, the elevator just there.
to go somewhere,
For teenagers.
going to a vending machine or to the not the bar, but to get something from downstairs.
So over there we have 2 private elevators that leads to your apartment, and to the left we have a parking garage. Let's take a look. So take a look, Dennis. How do you like the space for your cars?
I like the grill that you have in the garage. So one of the unique features, not that you have your private 4-car garage on the 40th floor. One of the most unique features, you have your summer grill in the garage. So if you come home super hungry, busy after a full day of work, right, business,
Enjoying your
and
life.
you have your grill right here. You know, you don't need to go outside or anywhere. You just park your Porsche or a Bentley or whatever you drive, right? And you can cook right here. No, guys, just kidding. Of course, it's not belongs in here, but for car garage, this is something that unique. So you don't have to park yourself. How it works? You just come to elevator, car garage, car elevator, and the system lift your car, brings it inside of the elevator. Then you go up. It takes about 2-3 minutes, and then it pulls it out from the elevator. So it's very, very convenient for those who wants to have privacy without seeing anyone in the lobby or your neighbors.
Yeah, if you're a superstar,
yep,
it's very, very
it's
useful.
great for celebrities. For famous people, they don't want to be seen, right? They just drive in and drive out, and you can park
any type of the car.
Yeah, you can, as you can see, in the Range Rovers, you can park at this size of the cars. So
fits perfectly. And here's the window to the kitchen, where it was just a few minutes before. So
yeah, some of the people, by the way, they do how to say that, kind of block that view. You know, if you don't want to look at your cars, it's also doable. You can tint it, create some kind of art on the other side or on this side as well. I've seen in some of the garages we have white walls, but you can put paintings, something with the cars, related to cars, so to make it much, much more beautiful.
but this space is amazing if you have a collection of the cars and your cars are older, you know, they need to be in specific temperature level.
Yep, that's true. They're
going to be safe here and in best condition ever.
Exactly. Especially a lot of people, they don't like. I'm sorry guys, I just want to take a look at this car.
Oh look, it doesn't have even the plate number? Oh, it has.
Yeah, especially if you don't want anyone to touch your cars. I have friends, they hate when valet guys are doing something to them. They scratch cars, they move like some things within the car. They feel more secure than when they park themselves.
Here we have a master bedroom, such a doable, nice size.
Enormous, I would say, size.
And my favorite place, it's the closet. And my favorite place is this walk-in closet. What do you think, Dennis?
I think it's running closet. You can run in here. No, seriously, the size is very, very generous size of the closet. Plus, you have this room, right? As we discussed, that part with the leather island. It can be just hers, right? And you can create out of this space. You can create another closet if that one is not enough. But I'm sure it should be enough for everyone.
And nice thing about the bathroom, it has her vanity and his vanity on the other side. And we have this huge shower that connects with other bathroom. And you enjoy this amazing view.
Yep.
Any time of the day.
That's nice.
And you have privacy, you don't have anybody, anything.
Double shower heads.
Yes. Let's continue. Let's take a look at the master bedroom.
The size, right? I'm gonna stand here just to give kind of proportions to everyone who's gonna see it. This is the size of the master bedroom. You have a king size bedroom. You can fit 10 of them in here. Huge closet, shower, right?
And then office here.
Exactly, you have your office within the master primary bedroom as well. And here's let's go. Let's take a look at the second floor terrace.
This amazing terrace is breathtaking. You?
Pretty much the same size, right? It just does not have the pool, exactly, jacuzzi pool. And also this, as we discussed, since it's covered, you don't have wind, you can enjoy it. Right now is a windy day, can you hear it? It's pretty windy on the 40th floor, but being here inside, it's no wind, there is no wind, so you can enjoy it. It's a very important part for anyone who's going to watch it, because on the ocean side, all those condos has a huge balconies, but most of them, they are not that usable as you expect, because that's how it works, right? There's a wind on the higher floors usually.
As Dennis mentioned before, the view from this floor is just elevates, and you have like panoramic. So architects thought about our eyes.
Oh yeah, for sure. And your eyes as well. Look at this. The way it opens up from the second floor. When you're on the first floor, you don't see it, right? When you're second is a different angle, and you can see a whole north side of Miami. You see Fort Lauderdale, Aventura, Sunny Isles, Golden Beach, yeah, downtown of Fort Lauderdale. It's a gorgeous view. And you have this room, right? You have other bedroom, as we mentioned, since 4 bedroom on each side, plus this media room, right? You can create a media room, put TV in there, and have another space. So to finalize it, size 6,000, a little over 6,000 just under AC, right? Couple thousand terraces plus 4 bedroom, right?
4 bedroom, 4.5 baths, 4-car garage.
And the asking price?
14,000,095.
Guys, if you're interested, if you have any questions about this property or any other property in Miami, or if you're interested to sell your house or condo in Miami, we would love to help you. And our contacts will be below. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Vlada, thank you.
I see you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please contact Wilson Real Estate for any
real estate needs.
Yes.